Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be going over the Facebook application settings for your first social mobile press promotional app. So instead of creating an application from scratch, I'm actually going to use an existing project that I've already finalized. This way you can take a look at how the settings will correspond to the application in a visual way. So I'm going to go ahead and open an application that I've already finished. Alright, so you'll notice that the first section is going to be the fan gate. Now the fan gate is going to be an optional page, and basically it's going to prevent the user from being able to go to the next step without having liked your page. Here's an example of the fan gate image which I have used for this app. As you can see, I've indicated here in the image that you have to like our page to get to the coupon. Once you like the page, you'll move on to the next step. Alright, now for the fan gate here, once again I've chosen to upload my own image. Now you have the option to either upload an image, to iframe a URL, or to enter some custom HTML code. Now we're going to go over in a little more detail the URL and HTML in another video, but I'm just going to quickly show you guys some examples. Over here on a different application, I've used a URL for my call to action page. Now for the URL, it's very important that you use a secure website, so there needs to be an SSL certificate on that. We also have another video in the members area here showing you how to get an SSL certificate. So I'm going to go to this link right here just to show you guys. And this is the custom page which I have created. By inserting the link to this page right here, that's going to be my call to action for this example. Now I'm going to also show you an example of using the HTML editor. So over here on this application, I've used the HTML editor for my call to action page. Using the text editor box here, I've pasted in a YouTube code. And on the visual side here, I've actually included some more images. Alright, so back to the app that we're going to demo here. I've already gone through the fan gate section. I have my image there. Now we're going to move on to the call to action page. I'm going to first show you guys what it looks like visually. This is the call to action page. So you'll have an image on the left hand side, and over here you're going to have the form. Now the form will have a title, some custom text here. Here's the input fields to my form, the submit button, and the official rules. Alright, so here on the media section for call to action, I'll upload an image or use the URL or HTML. Over on the form side, I'll have the custom form title and text. You'll have to insert your autoresponder form code here. Now this has to be the raw autoresponder code with no style. It's very important. You'll also have the option to customize what the user will see inside the input fields before they've actually entered any information in there. So now I just put name and email. As you can see here, it says name and email until you put your cursor in there, and then it'll go away. You can always leave that blank, of course. You also have the option to customize your button label. I just put click here for this example. It shows up over here. Your official rules, very important. Enter your contest rules over here. Now for the title and button color, I've selected red here, and what this will change is this is going to change the font of your title and the color of the actual button. So I'll just show you guys. Here I have the red title and the red button. Changing this one color using the nice color editor here is going to change the color for both of those together at the same time. Alright, so we're done with the call to action section. Let's move over to the thank you page. So once again, I'm just going to show you guys visually first. Alright, so over here on the thank you page, you'll notice that there's going to be the title. You'll have some text down below. You'll have a learn more button, but this can be any custom button you'd like, and this can link to any external page. You also have here the share button to share it on Facebook, and once again the official rules will be displayed here. Alright, so back here we have the image which I've already uploaded. Once again, image URL or HTML. Moving on to the form section. So here's the custom title. I just put thank you. You can put any custom text here. Your coupon's been emailed or whatever corresponds to the actual promotion or application that you created. Now this is going to be the customizable button. I put learn more and I linked it over to an external website. You could link this to anything you'd like, to whatever is relevant. The title and button color, similar to the previous page, this is going to customize the title over here and the button. Now for the share settings, these settings will actually change what will show up in Facebook once they've gone through the whole share process. So here I just put free pizza coupon, receive a free pizza from Miss Pizzeria. This image right here, which you'll need to upload, is going to be the actual image that's going to display beside the post after it's been shared. So I'm just going to show you guys an example. Over here, if I click on the share button, you'll see here's the title that I entered, here's the text that I entered, and here's the image. And if I shared this, this would post on my wall. Alright, so that's it for this section, guys. Those were all the settings for the Facebook application section. In the next videos, we're going to go over the mobile web application and then show you guys how to finalize everything and publish it. Thanks.